more fun. Philippine Islands. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Good day, my dear tourists. I'm your tour guide for today, Kristen Sarmiento. And before we start our tour, let me set some guidelines. First, don't leave your things unattended. Second, throw your trash on a proper disposal. Third, if I raise this red flag, it means we need to stop on a certain destination. And if I raise this green flag, it means we need to go on a certain destination. I welcome you all to the city of San Juan. San Juan City is the heart of Metro Manila. San Juan City is geographically small but very big in terms of cultural and significance, social prominence and economic progress and tourism potential. My dear tourists, San Juan is officially named Municipality of San Juan del Monte before it was converted into a high urbanized city of San Juan on June 17, 2007. It is located nearly in the center of Metro Manila, bordered by Quezon City to the north and East Mandaluyong City of the south and Manila to the west. Okay, my dear tourists, as you can see, that was the Museo ng Katipunan. It's the first and only museum specially built to showcase the contribution of the kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangan na katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan. This was built to commemorate the movement by Andres Bonifacio. Okay, my dear tourists, we're now here at Pinaglabanan Church, also known as the Saint the Baptist Church. This church is founded on July 15, 1894, and now the church current parish is Father Francisco M. Ungria Jr. Okay, my dear tourists, as you can see at my back, that was the Dambana ng Pinaglabanan or the War Arena Memorial. It was built to commemorate the first ever battle in the 1896 revolution of the Filipino people against more than 300 years of Spanish colonization. This was the site of what was then known as El Depósito. This is the end of our tour. Once again, I'm Kristen Sarmiento from Iris Travel and Tours. Hope you enjoy my company as I enjoy yours.
It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's